dressed up from head to toe to get by. It seems once again I forgot what keeps me safe and dry. Into the